October 2025, all of these codes are working right now. So make sure to watch till the end without skipping. But before I'm going to show you the code, let me create new account first. So now we've got this cute bacon boy on this cute bacon boy account. We're going to redeem the code using it. Now let's join into the game. Wherein now go to the currency shop. And then press open. Click codes. And then enter these following codes that I'm showing on the screen. Just type H, double P, then Y, then H, then A, double L, then O, then W, then double E, then N. It's going to be Happy Halloween. Now click Submit to redeem the code right there. Success in that code right there, guys, is going to give you 10 candies. After redeeming that code, now redeem this next code. Just type FTE RPIR. T, then Y. It's going to be after party. And it's submit to redeem that code right there. Success and that code right there is going to be giving you 15 diamonds. After redeeming that 2 codes, now play the game. Don't worry if you're playing it alone. It's not required to have a... We're in now. Chop the tree first to light the fire camp. Make me could always get back down. You can speak to your game. From all the pain and strings. And when I do something after lighting the fire camp. Now follow where I go. I need to go on this house and then get a rod. And then go outside and then start fishing. My heart is hard to be down the next type, yay, fishing. Once this things pop up on the screen, enter the yay top fishing to redeem a code right there. Success and that code right there, guys, is going to be giving you 2 diamonds, huh? Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope this video helps to get diamonds and candies. Goodbye. I'm back again. Carl Blaze. In this video, I'm going to be showing you